Chief Minister Siddaramaiah on Friday inaugurated Bengaluru Habba 2026 at the majestic steps of Vidhana Soudha, flagging off a vibrant procession of folk art troupes and cultural performers. Calling upon citizens to uphold unity in diversity, the Chief Minister said Bengaluru is a city of many languages, religions and cultures and must remain a platform where people come together beyond caste, religion and language. Organized by the Department of Kannada and Culture in collaboration with industrial sector and private organizations, the festival witnessed the presence of several dignitaries, including Legislative Council Chairman Basavaraj Horati, Political Secretary to the Chief Minister Nasir Ahmed, Assembly Chief Whip Ashok Patil, Actor Shivraj Kumar, Actress Jayamala, Chief Secretary Shalini Ranjish, Kannada Development Authority Chairman Purushottam Billimale. Addressing the gatherings, Siddaramaiah said fairs and festivals remind society to rise above hatred and live as human beings. No religion teaches hatred. What matters is what we achieve between birth and death and what we leave behind for society, he said. Referring to social reformers Basavanna Kanakadasa and Narayana Guru, the Chief Minister highlighted their message of equality and humanity. As part of the Bengaluru Habba 2026, over 350 programs will be held across more than 30 locations in the city, aiming to take literature, art and culture to migrants and their younger generation. Emphasizing the importance of language, Siddaramaiah urged citizens to learn and use Kannada in daily life and appealed to all residents to nurture Karnataka's cultural identity. With Bengaluru home to nearly 1.40 crore people, he expressed hope that Bengaluru Habba 2026 would unite all sections of society in harmony.